This is the Wildcat surgery on November 19th. Got the car up high in the back so I could roll it back in case I need to move it without being able to put it back together again. Since the driveway is kind of, or the backyard is slanting slightly downwards. So it's up on those blocks back there. And it's got some kind of an exhaust leak underneath the intake manifold, it seems like, which you'll hear in the second video. So we'll see how this goes, and hopefully we can have it all back together and park it for the night.